Good morning, guys. It's Johnny Sunshine. Look at that. 70 degrees, man. You have no idea. Little humid, in the humid range, but we're all good. I need to stop walking again. It's that old crusty heater. Gussie, what you doing, man? You guys want to go for a bike ride? It's Monday. Let's go have some fun, boys. Hey guys, check this out. This was one of my customers. This is her CD. That's her singing.
I want you near me all the time. I'd be content if my love life were to be spent. Thrilling to your sweet touch, can't get to, but thrilling to your sweet touch. Thrilling to your sweet touch, can't get too much.
Not bad, huh? She's a very interesting lady. She's got a beautiful place on a barrier island here in Sarasota County. Also owns a beautiful place out in Hawaii, Kauai, somewhere, I don't know. I don't know all those island names out there in Hawaii, but what a beautiful voice. I stuck that CD in this truck when she gave it to me, and I haven't taken it out yet. It's because I only have one CD, but it is good music, man. And hopefully YouTube won't copyright infringe me. That's all I'm saying. I hope they don't. I'm just trying to spread a little sunshine. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Be happy. Yeah, that's a stretch for Johnny boy. You know it's gonna be a good day, guys, when you start the morning out at Harbor Freight Tools. Yeah, I need to get me some rubber gloves. Yeah. Goodman. It's a Goodman. Alright guys, so I'm at this house. A customer of mine had an issue with a shower. I think was a kind of a problem. I've been here before. I did some work for them in the master bath shower. They're remodeling their house. This is where the old kitchen was. This is where the new kitchen's going. And the only way to do this is to jackhammer this floor up and relocate that pipe over into this cabinet. And I can actually just get inside of this cabinet and that will be fine. I don't need to be centered or anything. I need to keep the jackhammering down to a minimum. But the good thing is this isn't a manifold. These are just a hot and a cold that will run. They don't go anywhere else. We've got some electrical that's going to need to be... you guys have an electrician? Okay. Yeah, we need to get them things moved. We're going to have to probably cut that conduit and get it low to the ground, you know, and come up. So okay. It's not a big deal. Johnny Boy's going to be doing some jackhammering today, it looks like. So that's the plan. Let me get my jackhammer off and a couple tools and we'll get started on this. Not my favorite thing to do, guys, jackhammering, but I think it'll make some good content. cleaned my truck yesterday, and you can see what happened to it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so what I need to do is get a jackhammer off. And I have like 3 or 4. But this guy here is my preference. I always try to get a nice heavy cord when I'm using them. I don't want to be tripping breakers. These people are cool, man. I like them. I don't have my hammer time pants on. Hello, doggies. Alright, so what I need to do is just establish this as the side of the cabinet. In the front. And I just need to move. It's not much, and it's definitely coming from that direction, I would imagine, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alright guys, so a little trick that I do when jackhammering is a lot of times I'll start right where I want to end up, because there's a damn good possibility that that pipe I'm trying to tie onto is literally right here where I need it. So that's the plan. And then these, the water pipes, all I have to do is get them an inch under, you know, the slab with some armor flex, and that'll be the end of that. So that's what I'm going to start right here. I'm going to start right in this spot, see if I can find that pipe. If I can find that pipe, I'm good, and that's all I need to do is get inside that cabinet. trouble. That's a thick slab, my friend.
Thick what?
Thick slab.
Yeah, it is.
They're usually 3.5, 4 inches, man. This thing's 6 inches thick. Water pipe should be right on the side of that. Pretty damn close.
Did we hit it?
Yeah, the jackhammer went right through the pipe. It's okay.
Looks like a great spot. So,
Yeah, I'm not
Close it
gonna
up,
have
right?
to. Yeah, that's
Close
where
it
I'm
up.
going. I always start out where I want to finish
yeah.
to see if you know. Might go ahead and vacuum that out. Get that back side too. Get in there. You don't have a bar sink or anything back there, right?
What?
A bar sink anywhere else? Okay. Go
No.
ahead and vacuum that out.
This is it. Just a bathroom.
I'll get that shit out once I cut the pipe.
Yep, everything's okay, sweetie. No, not right now. We're gonna. I'm dirty. Thank you, though.
That's gonna be good right there. Just need to see if these water pipes are anywhere close.
Vacuum that up.
Wait a minute. There's one. They both must come in from that side.
What on towards me?
Yeah. So we might have to jackhammer some of that out to get to the water pipes. And that's just to eliminate the...
And what should I put in there after we're all done with this joint? Should
some sand up to like 3 inches,
okay.
and then concrete.
Just put a little concrete in there then, around the piping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's gotta go that way. Let me do that. I got it.
You have a better angle. More out?
I need a hammer. I gotta. These pieces of metal will open you up.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes the other one's on the other side of the bridge. Let's just open that up. Get a rag in there. Just leave that in there. Alright guys, so we've got the drain pipe located. Minimal jackhammering, pretty much where we want it. I just got to get these two lines. I believe that one in the back on the left is the cold, and this one in the front is the hot. And I will check that as soon as I cut them. And I'm just going to run these things over. I'm going to have to turn the water off, bud. You guys all set with the water? I can give you, you know, whatever you need. Alright, so this is going to go here. And we just need to get hot and cold. Boom. This is the hot and that's the cold. Remodels are always fun.
They're way more fun when you all live in them.
Yeah.
They're horrible when you put them in.
I did my house and it was a challenge. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to clean this copper up a little bit.
What's that?
Just when you're digging for gold,
That'd be nice if we found some.
maybe you'll find a hidden
Maybe some oil. Some oil.
Yeah, like
Oil's good.
I'll take some.
We'll retire together.
I don't know. One of us might kill the other one.
Let's just retire together, not work.
Okay, so now I want to figure out which one's what. I believe that this one is the cold. Yeah. So that's the cold line,
Alright.
which I'm going to bring up. I'm going to bring it up right up here. I'm going to bend this up just a tad. Come over here. And that'll be our cold. I'll scrap that if you're not, if you don't scrap shit. Watch yourself.
Way easier to turn the whole way.
Okay, so cold. Yeah. That's hot.
What's your thoughts on doing a reverse osmosis?
For under the sink?
We'd like to have it so our fridge in the sink we'd be able to get water from it.
Okay. In that case, we're gonna have to try to find that line, because otherwise, if it's under this kitchen sink, you're not gonna be able to use it as a for like a fill spout.
Is it easier to put I guess?
I mean, the new refrigerators, they all have really good filters in them. ROs are nice, but man, they take up a lot of space.
Okay.
Lots and lots of connections that can leak.
Okay.
But you know, people like them.
We could add that under the sink anytime.
Yeah, but we need, if you want it to go to the refrigerator, we're gonna have to find this line.
Okay. Yeah, she kind of wants
Okay.
to do that. Like I asked you. I think that line will literally be right there.
You would think. You can pop that, turn it off. That button. Gotta look underneath this, guys, to make sure the bottom of that pipe is clean, which that one is. This one I didn't really do yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and solder this. Can I see that vacuum for a minute?
Yeah.
I just want to see if I can get a little bit of water out of that. Okay, so that's pretty clean. Come up like this.
Serious torch.
Yeah. It's acetylene. Got a bunch of different tips. I could solder up to 4-inch copper
Okay.
with that. That's a baby tank. It's just easier for me to bring.
But it's a more convenient than.
Right, for service. I mean, I've got big tanks on my truck if I'm doing a big job and I'm
Yeah.
going to be there for days soldering up stuff.
I see what you did. Instead of coming straight up, because where that is over on the
It's
other
not going to
side.
be. Yeah, I need to
Yep.
get this cold coming up on the right side, so when you're facing those that drain pipe, the cold is on the right. And we'll do what we have to do to.
We don't want to run into the reverse like last time in the bathroom.
Right,
That was a
exactly.
mess, wasn't it?
Oh, that's not good enough down there. The back is. That's gonna do it, guys. Yeah. I'm just going to put this in now and level up the riser. Always tip your pipe down so the primer runs off the end instead of down the pipe. Yeah. Purple primer is code down here in Florida. At least on the underground. They want to see it. They want to know you're using it. Okay. I need 2 pieces. This fucking brush has seen better days. This is gonna have to do it, boys. Just gonna put a couple of guys, whenever you want to check your level to make sure it's right, always just do it like this. Check your mark, see where it's sitting, and then do the same thing like this and see where it's sitting. Should be the same. Alright, I'm just going to put some shock bite caps on these and turn the water back on. Alright, the homeowner is going to turn the water on. Hopefully everything's good in here. We're all good.
All good? I thought I heard a leak as my coffee. I'm like, I hear something.
No, you heard the laundry tub.
It was my coffee dripping.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we're good, man. Hot, cold, and your new drain. I can cut this off.
Okay.
And then we got to figure out something about that ice maker. If it needs to come to this location, we got to find it. It may be back there. I don't know. Alright guys, so we're all set here. I don't have any armor flex, the homeowner. Hey guys, Johnny Sunshine. That's a wrap on that little kitchen relocation. Tech tip. Actually let my guy who used to work for me, I let him use my concrete. I got 2 concrete saws, electric for inside of a house, and I've got a gas 14-inch. But he was working inside the house. I gave him my 12-inch electric, and I told him, I said, when you're cutting trenches in concrete, I said, you know, sometimes it's wise to start where you want to finish, and because sometimes that pipe crosses that area closer where you don't have to jackhammer so much, and that was the case in this house. I jackhammered a hole right where the pipes needed to come up, and sure enough, all the pipes were right there. It's never fun. I don't like doing shit like that, fucking crouched over, working in a hole. It's just, if I never do that again in my life, it will not hurt my feelings at all. But it's good money, man. I jacked the price up, man. It's $200 an hour for me to remodel a fucking house. And with all the tools, I got my first jackhammer, the one I like to use. It don't work. I can't get the bit to stay in it. So I went to my next one, and I forgot I even had this one, which is a real nice, just as powerful but light and very quiet. I went to that one to get the job done, but I'm on my way right now to take that jackhammer that wasn't working, take it to the tool repair guy, because that's how you do it, man. You don't say, oh, that tool's broken, and you leave it on your truck. You say, that tool's broken, and I'm going to get it to a tool man as soon as I can. Get it fixed. I think it just needs to be cleaned. The hub where you push down and twist. I think, you know, that's one of the issues with letting guys borrow your shit. Who knows? Could have let somebody borrow a jackhammer and they fucked that thing up, because I don't remember it not working. It is what it is, but that's why you know, I tell guys most of the time, unless you're a real close friend, family, or like a brother to me, I just say, hey man, you're gonna have to go rent that, because if you fucking break it, I'm gonna expect another one in return, Jackson. And if you do let him use it, always make him put it together and show you that it works. But that's gonna do it for me today, guys. It's 1:30. Got there at 10. Made a day's pay, and he's all good. He's gonna put a farm sink in there. Getting real creative, doing all the shit himself with those fucking cardboard cabinets from Home Depot. You spill a couple water and your kitchen cabinets grow by 2 feet. Yep, them ones. And not very good for resale value. Get yourself some good plywood cabinets. You'd be better off. Anyways, guys, maybe I'll introduce you to my tool guy. He's from outer space, and hopefully he's still around, man. I haven't seen him in a while. He's got all these nodules, you know, popping out of his head, his neck, like he's from another planet, or he's been through electric shock treatment. I don't know what it is, you know, but he's a cool guy. Always interesting to hear what he has to say. Totally batshit fucking crazy. He's a Trumper. He's got a fucking conspiracy for everything. Crazy. It's fucking crazy.